Hi, Michelle Glass here, and welcome to our first episode in our Chapter 26, Lecture 26 series. And our topic here is the urinary system. So let's get started with some of the basic functions of this system. The urinary system is going to be important in regulating blood volume and blood pressure because those two things are related. So if blood pressure is too high, we can reduce blood volume, which will reduce blood pressure. So we've already sort of talked about this when we were in the cardiovascular system. We also will see that the urinary system is involved in regulating the plasma ions, or what we can call electrolytes. So we'll see that the kidney is important in getting rid of or retaining ions such as sodium, potassium, chloride, and others. And then we also talk about the kidney as being involved in helping to stabilize the blood pH. So we can see that the kidney will get rid of excess hydrogen ion and will also help to restore the bicarbonate ion reserves. And then another important function is the conservation of nutrients. So instead of letting those key molecules, glucose and amino acids and fatty acids, become part of the urine, we'll see that there's one whole section of the kidney that's going to be involved in reabsorbing those things back into the bloodstream. We do see that the kidney is important in removing metabolic wastes such as urea and uric acid. And also the kidney assists the liver in the detoxification of different poisons. When we're looking at the basic pathway of urine through the urinary system, we'll see that it begins in the kidney with the production of that urine. We're going to be zooming in and looking at these structures in a lot more detail, so we'll spend quite a bit of time looking at the structures of the kidney as we progress. That urine then is going to make its way to the ureter, which is the tube that's going to transport that urine to the bladder, where it's stored until the maturation reflex triggers for that urine to leave the body through the opening, through the tube called the urethra, and then the urethral opening. In males, of course, the urethra is combined with both the urinary and the reproductive systems, but this is, of course, separate in females. So that is it for now.